What up YouTube, we are back. Got my package. It's the box here that I received, and my AirTags have come in the post. So rather than me unbox this on the floor, I just might as well unbox this on top of my laptop. I think the AirTags just sliding down. Yeah. Anyway, that's the package it comes in with, actually this sort of brown box that it arrived in. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and see exactly how the custom AirTags look. So this up and go ahead and open it and slide them out now and see how they look. Instructions are all here. So this is in the box. Box is empty now. So I'll put this to one side here. Can I stay? Oh, anyway. So I've got a laptop elevated because I don't want it to overheat. But anyway, comes with some instructions, some warranty information, some other sort of stuff there as well, some other bits here as well. And these are the AirTags, and they come like this. There you go. Cool presentation. So this will be my first AirTag. This is ace number 3. This one here, ace number 4. And I have these all custom with my name and numbers. So I've got ace 1, ace 2, ace 3 and ace 4. So I'm going to check out how they look. So I'm going to grab ace 1 and open it up and have a look at this thing here. Okay, so it's a pull tab here. There you go, they are on now. And that looks pretty cool. I like the way it looks. It looks pretty nice. Ace 1. I like the way that looks with the name and designated number for each of my AirTags. So if I get AirTags in the future, I'm going to be ordering ace 5, 6 and so on and so forth. And have a look what it says there. So AirTags designed by Apple California, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE ultra wide band. So pretty simple. You've not seen the unboxings, but that's how the custom ones look, and that's the finish on them. Light grey with my number that I've got designated for the AirTag. Anyway, this has been Ace. Been away for a bit, so we uploaded this video now. For the last week I've been suffering food poisoning, so I haven't been able to upload anything, and yeah, and I was completely fucked up. So that was that. Anyway, I'm back now as usual, and hopefully more uploads to come. This has been Ace. As always, like, subscribe, peace out. Yeah.